Guess what, Jaymin?
Yeah.
We get to do a YouTube video
Yeah.
of you showing houses today. What is this room?
Kitchen.
What's in the kitchen? We got a stove and a dishwasher and a fridge.
Yes.
What could you do over here?
Couch and TV.
Couch and TV could go over here. What would this room be, do you know?
Master bedroom.
Master bedroom.
2 sinks.
2 sinks. That's a big closet. What if you made this your bedroom?
Maybe not.
Is it big enough for your bedroom?
No.
Pretty big though.
Maybe not.
Yeah. This is plenty of room for
Yeah.
trick shots.
Golf, football, pool.
Pool? Yeah, you can put a pool out here.
Bedroom this way.
Oh, how'd you know? You're just guessing?
Yeah.
Oh, good guess. So how many bedrooms?
1, 2,
Oh, 4 bedrooms. Okay.
4.
Wow, how big are these? These are pretty good.
Washer, dryer.
Genius. Is there a bathroom up here?
Yeah.
Oh, did you see? What's on both sides?
Sink.
2 double sink. What do you think about this house? Double thumbs up?
Yep.
Whoa! So if you want to see the house, message me.
Yeah.